In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the can't play video codec not support problem on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is install a better video player. Head to the Google Play Store, search for VLC or MX player, install it and try playing the video again. These apps support more video formats than the default Samsung player, and in most cases the video will play right away. If the video was downloaded or transferred from another device, it might be corrupted or incomplete. Try downloading it again, or if it was sent through WhatsApp or Messenger, ask the sender to resend it in original quality. So some videos use advanced codecs like HEVC or AV1, and not all Samsung models support them. This is usually why the error appears. So if you are still seeing this error, the best fix is to convert the video. Open any video converter app from the Play Store and convert your video to MP4, H.264 video codec and AAC audio codec. These settings work on almost every Samsung phone without errors. Next, check for any software updates. So for that, you need to go to settings and software update and download and install. Then clear the media cache by going to settings, app, show system apps and media storage and clear cache. Restart your phone afterwards, and if you are using a third-party video app, uninstall it and install it again. A fresh install can fix missing codec issues. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.